In today's fast-paced world, the demand for food production is increasing rapidly, and farmers are looking for ways to improve their efficiency and productivity. One of the most exciting solutions to this problem is autonomous tractors, which are transforming the way farming is done. Autonomous tractors are self-driving vehicles equipped with advanced software, sensors, and GPS technology that enable them to perform various farming tasks with precision and efficiency. In this video, we'll discuss how autonomous tractors work and their benefits, as well as the increasing demand for more efficient farming practices. So, if you're interested in learning about the future of farming and how technology is transforming the agriculture industry, then stay tuned. John Deere 8RX. The John Deere 8RX is a 4-track tractor that was introduced by the American company John Deere in 2019. It is one of the most advanced and innovative tractors available in the market today. The 8RX is designed to operate autonomously with the help of advanced technology such as cameras, sensors, and GPS. The tractor features a cab with a panoramic view and is equipped with a command center display that provides the operator with real-time information about the tractor's performance and other important metrics. It also has an advanced hydraulic system that allows it to work efficiently and effectively in the field. The 8RX is powered by a 410 horsepower engine that is capable of achieving a top speed of 40 km per hour or 25 miles per hour. It also has an advanced suspension system that ensures a smooth ride and reduces operator fatigue. The tractor is designed to work in a wide range of conditions and can be used for a variety of applications such as planting, harvesting, and tillage. The 8RX is also equipped with an advanced guidance system that helps the operator to navigate through the field with precision and accuracy. The guidance system is powered by GPS and allows the tractor to follow a pre-programmed path or to operate autonomously. Case IH Autonomous Tractor Concept. The Case IH Autonomous Tractor concept is a futuristic tractor designed to operate without the need for an operator in the cab. The tractor is equipped with a wide range of advanced technologies including GPS, sensors, and cameras that allow it to operate autonomously in the field. The operator can program the tractor with specific instructions such as the path to follow, the speed, and the depth of the tillage. Once programmed, the tractor can operate without any human intervention. One of the unique features of this tractor is that it has no cab, making it a cabless tractor. Instead, it is controlled remotely using an advanced control system. This eliminates the need for an operator to sit in the cab, making it safer and more efficient. The autonomous tractor concept is designed to be used in a wide range of applications such as planting, harvesting, and tillage. It has a modular design, which means that different types of implements can be attached to the tractor depending on the task at hand. Fendt E100 Vario. Fendt E100 Vario is an all-electric compact tractor produced by the German agricultural machinery manufacturer, Fendt. It was introduced as a concept in 2017 and officially launched in 2018. The E100 Vario is powered by a 50 kW electric motor and has a lithium-ion battery pack that provides a maximum operating time of up to 5 hours. The tractor features a compact design and is ideal for use in vineyards, orchards, and other small-scale operations. It has a maximum speed of 50 km per hour and can be operated using a joystick or a conventional steering wheel. The tractor is also equipped with an electronic control unit that allows the operator to adjust the speed and torque of the motor according to the task at hand. One of the main benefits of the E100 Vario is that it produces zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional diesel-powered tractors. The tractor also has a low noise level, making it ideal for use in residential areas or other noise-sensitive environments. New Holland NH Drive. New Holland NH Drive is an autonomous technology developed by the agriculture machinery manufacturer, New Holland. It is a driverless tractor technology that allows the tractor to operate without an operator in the cab. The NH Drive technology uses advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS systems to guide the tractor in the field. The technology can be used for a wide range of applications such as planting, harvesting, and tillage. The operator can program the tractor with specific instructions such as the path to follow, the speed, and the depth of the tillage. Once programmed, the tractor can operate without any human intervention. One of the unique features of the NH-Drive technology is that it can be used with a traditional cab or as a cabless tractor. In the cabless configuration, the tractor is controlled remotely using an advanced control system, which eliminates the need for an operator to sit in the cab. The NH-Drive technology is designed to improve efficiency, reduce operator fatigue, and increase safety in the field. It also allows farmers to optimize their operations by reducing the need for manual labor and increasing the speed of the work. Monarch AI-powered electric autonomous tractors. These tractors are designed to work without the need for an operator in the cab and can be remotely controlled using a smartphone or tablet. The tractors are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS systems that allow them to navigate through the field with precision and accuracy. The operator can program the tractor with specific instructions such as the path to follow, the speed, and the depth of the tillage. Once programmed, the tractor can operate without any human intervention. Monarch's tractors are powered by electric motors and have a lithium-ion battery pack that provides a maximum operating time of up to 12 hours. The electric powertrain produces zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional diesel-powered tractors. One of the unique features of Monarch's autonomous tractors is that they are designed to work in fleets. This means that multiple tractors can be controlled and operated simultaneously, allowing farmers to optimize their operations and improve efficiency. Monarch's AI-powered electric autonomous tractors are designed to reduce labor costs, improve safety, and increase efficiency in the field. Bearflag Robotics Autonomous Tractors. Bearflag Robotics autonomous tractor technology is powered by a combination of advanced sensors, computer vision, and artificial intelligence algorithms. The system uses cameras and LiDAR sensors to create a detailed 3D map of the farm field, and AI algorithms analyze the data to create a precise path for the tractor to follow. The autonomous tractor can operate in a wide range of conditions and is designed to handle a variety of farming tasks, such as planting, tilling, and harvesting. The system is also equipped with a remote monitoring system that allows farmers to track the progress of the tractor in real time from a smartphone or computer. One of the key benefits of Bearflag Robotics autonomous tractors is their ability to work around the clock, which helps farmers to optimize their operations and increase productivity. The autonomous tractors also help to reduce labor costs and minimize the risk of human error, which can lead to higher crop yields and more efficient use of resources. In conclusion, autonomous tractors are changing the face of agriculture, providing farmers with more efficient and productive ways to manage their crops. The benefits of autonomous tractors include increased accuracy, reduced labor costs, and improved productivity, making them an attractive solution for farmers looking to streamline their operations. If you enjoyed learning about autonomous tractors today, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.